Hello and welcome back to Owl in the Loft. I think the layout name that seems to be sticking is Buckland Junction, so this is what I've been up to since my last video. This is a super quick village station which is on the lead up to the main station. This is Old Park Junction, which is another junction, well yes, a junction in Dover. And there's the super quick village station that's been built for probably about 10 years. Now just laid in place. This gradient here is about 1 in 20, so it's quite steep. But today I want to talk about the main line, which comes to an end there, and it's got to get across to the end of the station board there, and this is what we're going to use. Bear with me. This is the missing link. This is the last piece of track bed that's missing, and I've put my strengtheners on, the old tuber ones, whether they're standing up or laying down, they're quite good. This is narrow here because I have a road section going underneath here. So I'm going to put this in place and see how I get on. So back in a moment. And there we have it. The last piece of missing track bed has been breached. Not breached, I'm not sure if that's the right word. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's made me very happy. The rails don't line up exactly, but we'll take a few pins out and realign those. Yes. Yes, that's great. That's the last part of the main line woodwork missing, and now there we go, it's made it. Excellent stuff. Wow, several hours have passed and look, I've crossed the bridge with double tracks and now arriving at the throat of the main station. So wow. Yes, we're at the other end of the station throat. Excellent. Well, this just about concludes this video because I've got to go back to the drawing board. This is the looking up line to the station throat, and this is the other looking down line. So the station is going to be very busy. I want 2 storage stroke passing loops under the town scene, which isn't going to be very big at all, and I'm going to be adding to this edge because I have all this free space to play with, so I'm going to be broadening this board a little bit. I have all my rails, my points, all ready. Point motors. So a lot of work to be done before I do the next video, but next time I hope to show you this complete, or at least running. Yes, running all the way round. Whoops, excuse the mess. All the way round the top line, main line, and I can't wait. I'll give you a brief look at my remnants from my old layout. Look what I made when I was 14. How about that? It's the Airfix pub, the Bull. But I am going to have it on the layout, even though it is a bit old. And this is all the rest of my old junk. But yes, it'll all be very busy very soon. Take care. It's Al in the loft getting very excited. And yes, more please.